Wow, guys, this is a room in the Hilton.
For Grace's birthday,
Wow, nice. Look at they have a sitting table here.
You're the one that likes to swim, not
They
me.
have a small personal rack.
Right. That's the
And the cabinet, closet for dress. Look at the bathroom. There you go. How big it is. The bathroom. Look at the bathroom here. How big it is. Nice. I love the setup here. It's clean and this is the nice. You see that? This is the nice, guys. We are facing in the wow. Look at the Twin Tower.
What is this? Oh,
So we are facing it. Look at the Twin Tower here. Oh, the shadow. So bad. My phone shadow. It's dark. Look at. We're facing here.
You're the one that likes to swim.
Oh, the city. The whole city.
You're right.
Look at, guys. This is the night. We just arrived because we messed up our flight and also came here the wrong hotel. We are been in the Century Hilton Hotel. The same, we have a lot of Hilton Garden in here. So we just confusing because my husband is messed up with the Grab. Because the comes up to his Google Map is that's what the Hilton. So fall in line. Why they are fall in line? That car there down. Yes. So we are facing in the Twin Tower. And the other one, there's a big tower. I don't know what is that. In the back of the Twin Tower. There's not a front. But there's still still just wow.
For Grace's birthday, I used my Hilton Honors points to get on a backstage and meet and greet.
Wow.
One Republic. She's gonna freak out when I tell her. And I just use your points for once in a lifetime experience.
Okay, guys, wonderful. And this is our day.
That's the room for me.
We arrived. We are tired. We've been a lot of trouble with our flight. Oh my gosh, but it's okay. We are safe. We don't have money involved, so that's okay. As long as we don't revoke like this, so it's okay for us.
How about over here in the pool?
We're good.
To swim, not me. I know.
Even the hotel, we got it.
You're right. That's
2 days here. This hotel.
You can choose the room for you.
Wow.
this. Oh, for Grace.
With the Hilton Honors app,
You can choose this suitcase, and this suitcase, and this suitcase.
What is this?
Wow. Wow. We are facing in the Twin Tower. Our hotel, Hilton Garden Inn, in the south, Kuala Lumpur. So look at how traffic it is. How wonderful the city. of Kuala Lumpur, and the biggest old tower here. Big.
Okay, break out your
With the Hilton
key
Honors app,
My
you can choose the
husband
room
is
just right for you.
so I can get my slippers out of here.
Okay. Wow, look at the view here, guys. This is our floor building inside the room. It's an infinity look. Yeah, the view. So much. Wow. Even you don't want to go anywhere, you'll be enjoying here looking in this floor where we are staying in the Hilton Hotel, Hilton Garden Inn South. This is a view in the south. Wow, look at down. They still have there for constructions building. Here you go. Oh wow, look at how busy it is. A lot of motorcycles there parked, and vehicles, a lot of cars. Look at going there, you can see, you enjoy your ride here in the top of our room building. There is some nice, guys. Look at that. I was wondering that time in the morning is lighting there, that the white gate, it look like a nice, I don't know what is there. And this is the Twin Tower here in Kuala Lumpur. This is the city, Kuala Lumpur. Oh, there's a lot of you can see here. Last night I cannot see the mosque. I think there's a mosque there. I don't know. I have no idea. A bunch of place you need to go. I don't look at away from the. It's the road, nice road there. It's like a blurry, guys, because it's so much cloudy. Even yesterday when we fly, too much cloud. So much cloudy. I hope I could clear my yeah, here also this. Look at this. You see that? We enjoy here in the top of our building. The more in the swimming pool, guys, infinity pool there. I'm gonna go later. So it's a nice here in our room. So this is our room where we have it. So it's a mess because we are sleeping. We are tired last night. We just arrived yesterday. So it's cool here. Very good. The bathroom here is very big and nice. Yeah. Oh my god. We have our own small personal ref here. The kitchen used for our breakfast. Yeah, so nice. And they have a safety bags. Good. They have a big safety bags. Oh, yeah. That's very nice. The problem here is only one chair. We have a morning breakfast. We need to. Oh, Yeah, and you can see why sitting here. I hope you can sit here closer, but it's a bathroom here closer so that you can see it. Okay, guys. What the heck? Okay. Okay, my husband. Yeah. We're leaving now.
Yeah.
Just waiting our grab.
Let us go.
We'll go with the outside.
That may be how it got busted. Okay, where's the quickest way to the elevator? I think this way.
Elevator is there. I think there is closed. This is you gonna turn.
Underwater grabbers will take time to accept. Such a short distance, I may not accept one.
Okay. Gonna go with the. We are turning. It's better there because we need to turn around.
Yeah, we should go there.
That way is a. No, we are turning around. That's okay because I'm gonna be viewing.
Now we got somebody on the way. Go to that
Wow.
Vehicle VBG.
Where was?
Did you go there? Where are you going?
I was where it is. Wow, I messed up. I forgot it.
You should be looking as you walk.
I did not look in the other side, only my right side. Here we go. There's 6. We are in 20. Oops.
That's okay, go ahead. We'll get the next one. Well, you stand down there, I'll stand down here. What's going up?
Here's number 2. This one. We are in 20.
It's going up.
Yeah.
So is that one.
Oh, this one is closed. 10, 11.
They,
Right.
it's okay.
I'm
Next time you know.
I'm ready.
Floor directory. Restaurants, 1F. Floor.
I'm ignorant for.
Oh, you know, they're not on the ground floor of the restaurants.
We are in the elevator. What is the
You got two prayer
high
rooms.
is this?
You hear me? You got 2 prayer rooms, 1 female and 1 male.
Really?
Yeah.
How high it is this one? 30?
25.
Huh?
25.
Where's the last?
25 is the roof. That's where the.
25 the height?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is the highest 25. This building. I just go. Huh? We stay there because I don't have a. Last night I did not take a video because it's so tired for us. Keep closing. Take a video for us. I could go there. That. It's there. It's already here? They're only the top. Oh.
I'm tired of chasing you down.
Oh, there is a Samsung there. We tried it.
That's just a cheap place to look at. It didn't even show up on the list.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it that one. He's right outside.
Okay. I think this is a mono train, yeah. I hope there is a train, but we have it outside of our hotel. So we are in the highway, guys. A lot of walking area people there. We're along in the pedestrian lane. So yeah. So I was we are close to the It's a walking distance only, Han. The plaza. No, huh? It's not a mall. It's not something grocery like this. Because it's a plaza.
I needed the
It's
pharmacy,
a lot.
but I don't see a pharmacy.
A lot of.
What is that right there? Right here?
Which one you talking about? It
Right there. Picture of the
No, no, it's not. It's a public toilet. It's a restaurant. It's a public toilet with a man and a woman. Well, you can pay there. They said. So, wow. We're waiting our crowd. This is our first day walking along the Kuala Lumpur. First day, guys. Because last night is very hard, stressful our flight. So yeah, stressful. Then my husband is out. This was fine. For me, I'm tired. I'm dead. That flight. I wanted to. Okay, this is our first day. Attractions in Kuala Lumpur is a part of our hotel, Hilton Garden Inn. So this is the Garden Inn. This is our Garden Inn hotel. Yeah, nothing is there. Okay, guys. Get it!
Flu will kill you. It doesn't take COVID to kill you. But they just went crazy on it.
So later you maybe can, if you want to leave the pavilion, maybe you can take the Churan entrance.
Oh.
Don't use the main entrance because the entrance very jammed. So a lot of driver,
Oh,
they
okay.
don't want to pick up there.
Which one in our destination?
The destination.
Where we are? In the hotel?
Bukit Bintang entrance. That is-
Oh, not good at the area?
because you can see the bad traffic.
Veteran is right across the street here.
So if you want the easy get the driver, then the Churan entrance will be better.
See, there's
Okay.
Veteran right there.
Yeah, it's better. It's better.
See it right there.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the Bukit Bintang entrance.
Wow. Pavilions. Cultures pavilion. Oh. We are right now in the wow, a lot of signature brand here, hon.
Yeah.
The Gucci.
That's why I told you there wouldn't be a problem getting a Samsung work down here.
Nice.